growth, upliftment, and self-reliance. Values which are at the heart of Usha Silai School program. These values have guided the training and empowerment of more than 1 million women across India. To create hope and resilience at this scale, how does one aggregate and amplify the intent, purpose, and commitment around us into something larger, something that is bigger than each of us individually? Usha's collaboration with a multitude of corporates with a similar purpose and ethos have turned the impossible into a sustainable possible. With the power, trust, and reach of these corporates, the partnerships provide the pooling of resources, connections, and skills, all of which have contributed to the empowerment of the Usha Silai School women. In this episode, we explore some of the partnerships that are built on shared values that create opportunities for the women of rural India to become self-reliant. About an hour away from Lucknow is the village of Mal, where Usha has set up a training cum production center in partnership with Tata Power. As a part of promoting collective entrepreneurship, Usha and Tata joined hands in the year 2021, leading to the establishment of 8 training and production centers. This initiative has empowered over 300 women directly in Bihar, Himachal Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh by providing them with valuable skills and opportunities. The fog and the cold do not stop these women from getting to work on their sewing machines. Undeterred by the conditions around them, these women are focused on their current task to complete their design as their training is just about to reach its culmination.
So one woman getting empowered and going back to their villages and bringing more women back to empowerment was the overall objective, and it was a micro enterprise model which we were trying to set up. So this association started with that. Until now, I would say very successfully we have completed more than 500 women we have empowered directly. And you can say 1500 plus would be the indirect empowerment which we have created into remote villages, which is a big achievement for us.
Usha Silai schools such as this harness the power of collaboration between corporate partners with resources and grassroots NGOs like the Sarvodaya Ashram, whose community outreach helps identify the women to participate in such programs. Usha believes in impact and meticulously selects NGOs with proven track records and transparent operations, ensuring their contribution truly empowers the women in need.
उषा इंटरनेशनल के साथ में हम लोग जो हैं लगभग 10 साल से जुड़े हैं, बस 10 के 12 साल कहिए उससे जुड़े हैं, और हमारे जितने भी कार्यक्रम हैं वो संयुक्त रूप से होते हैं। हम लोग सर्वोदय आश्रम जो है वो डेवलपमेंट के बहुत सारे काम चलाता है, संचालित करता है, और हम लोग ग्रासरूट लेवल पे काम करते हैं। और उषा जो है वो हम लोगों को टेक्निकल मदद करता है।
कंगन चिकनकारी तो आप जानते हैं, मेट वर्क का ये मेट वर्क की।
This has been the guiding vision in the partnership between Usha International Limited, Tata Power and Sarvodaya Ashram. This is the third such batch of women trained in the basic skills of stitching and sewing with a focus on chikankari and most importantly the workings of a sewing machine.
तो एक तरीके से जो ये कि मिथ है कि महिलाओं को मशीन फोबिया होता है, हमारी इन बहनों को नहीं होता। ये बहनें अच्छे से जो है मशीन के बारे में जान जाती हैं और जो है वो उसको हैंडल करना अच्छे से जान जाती हैं।
नहीं आती थी, इसलिए हमको सीधी चौकोर और गोल सिलाई सिखाई गई, उससे हमारी सिलाई अच्छी आने लगी है
Creating a program as this, which aims to nurture skills, also creates a self-sustaining culture of learning, which carries on for years and even generations, long after the students have completed their training.
पापा के पास मेरे मशीन थी, क्योंकि मेरे पापा बहुत पहले सिलाई किया करते थे। उसको जब हम ले आए तो वहाँ से हमने काम स्टार्ट कर दिया अपना। तो कोई अच्छा काम नहीं कर पाते थे, इसलिए कस्टमर थोड़ा कम आते थे, क्योंकि वो फिनिशिंग नहीं आती थी कपड़ों में। और जब से हमने यहाँ पे सिलाई सेंटर से ट्रेनिंग ले ली है तो अच्छा कपड़ा हमसे बनने लगा है। तो हम इससे बहुत उत्साहित हुए हैं कि हमने ट्रेनिंग के बाद हमारा इतना फ़र्क आ गया है।
हमारी बहनों को जो मदद मिलती है, हमारे मतलब हमें ऐसा लगता है ना, उन्हीं परिस्थितियों, जिस तरह से हम बहनों से मिलते हैं उन्हीं परिस्थितियों से गुजरे हुए हैं, तो हमें अच्छा लगता है।
While for some, the drive to learn is rooted in aspirations.
मैंने इस चीज़ के लिए मैम से बात की, मैम आप यहाँ तक कैसे आई हैं? मुझे भी आपकी तरह बाहर जाके ये सब करना, सीखना, सिखाना है, मतलब मुझे आगे बढ़ना है। कोई चीज़ छोटी नहीं होती है, सिलाई हो या गवर्नमेंट जॉब हो या टीचिंग हो, कुछ भी हो, कुछ छोटा नहीं होता है। अपना हुनर आना चाहिए हर चीज़ में।
3 तरीके से आपका असेसमेंट होगा।
It's not just corporates. Usha partners with organizations across industries, banks, cooperatives, government entities, academic institutions, NGOs, each for a different kind of support. Programs like this impart to the women not only the skills of sewing and stitching, but also essential skills to navigate everyday lives, the means to earn a livelihood, and perhaps the most precious value of gaining confidence in themselves.
उषा के जो कार्यक्रम चलाया जा रहा है यहाँ पर नीचे, और उसमें बैंक उन लोग का हर तरह से मदद करने के लिए तैयार है। जैसे उन लोगों ग्रुप जो बनेगा SHG ग्रुप के थ्रू, जो ग्रुप सहायता समूह जो बोला जाता है, उसके थ्रू उनको बैंक जो लोन प्रोवाइड करेगी और उनको सुविधा देगी, जिससे आगे वो लोग बढ़ सके आगे में। तो इन ग्रुप के सहायता से बताया जा रहा है कि उनको किस तरह से सिलाई जो सीख रही हैं, उनके अपने विकास के लिए, अपने परिवार के लिए कैसे उनको बढ़ाया जाए।
After 14 tireless days of hard work, the women of the Usha Silai School in Mal have now reached the end of their training session, and it is time to celebrate this achievement. Beyond sewing skills, the women have been empowered with information and knowledge on health and social issues, how to fight diseases, and even awareness on preventing child marriages. They have forged bonds and committed themselves to stay in touch with each other after they go back to their villages and support each other in the social and familial challenges they face.
पर मेरा सपना तो यही है, अगर मैं अपना बिजनेस सब लोग मिलकर कर सकती हूँ तो करूँगी, ज़रूर करूँगी। सब बहनें मिलकर करेंगे और सबको मतलब हम लोग सपोर्ट भी करेंगे, और सब लोग सहयोग के साथ अपना बिजनेस जैसे सब लोग मिलकर खोलेंगे तो सबकी मतलब कमाई होगी उसमें।
See, collaboration is a very important key to success for any initiative, for any development. When we are looking for an overall single goal for the country, then it is very important experts should come together, they bring their expertise and they collaborate with each other and bring the best for the communities, for our country, because the ultimate goal is to see the impact on the communities, the empowerment should be visible.
When intent and commitment join forces with the right kind of support, it creates a launching pad for rural women to become self-reliant. These social partnerships open up a universe of possibilities, showing the scale of what can be achieved when centers of influence join forces.
Corporate partnerships are built on shared values. When corporates collaborate or start working together, their combined strength amplifies the scale of their effort and also deepens the impact on the society. We've been fortunate to be working with some very esteemed organizations like Tata Power, NIPCO, SIDBI, Fiat, NTPC, among many others. These partnerships enable us to develop newer models for upskilling women as well as for introducing newer entrepreneurial opportunities for the women.
These are the collaborations that uplift, empower, and engage with India, with women whose skills and spirit await only that first step for them to begin their journeys. In Northeast India, Usha and one of its leading corporate partners, Star Cement, has launched a first-of-its-kind project, training men in the mechanics and maintenance of sewing machines, so they can provide technical support to women graduating from Usha Silai schools, their learners and other women from the villages. Through this project, Usha is aligning its goal with the mandate of its corporate partners in their CSR ventures.
Usha is working very closely with Star Cement since last few years, and we have started a model called Training the Trainer model. From last year, we have covered near about 800 students, and we have covered in Assam more than 20 villages. And after completing the course from Star Cement gives best student few machines free of cost. So there are some criteria. According to that, they are giving Usha machine free of cost to all the students, so that they can start their earning from their home itself.
Located just an hour and a half's drive from Assam's Guwahati lies the Usha Silai School at Chamta Patthar. Run in partnership with Star Cement, the school is fostering self-dependence among the women of the region.
More than 300 students in every batch. After doing the training also successfully, they complete their courses and get certificates, and we also help them as whoever is qualifying, we are helping them with the machines, and with the machines they are doing their own incomes.
Usha Silai School and Star Cement are providing the women an opportunity to establish a skill-based income-generating platform by training 7 mechanics for 10 days in sewing machine mechanical skills. In this project, Usha International will provide 10 days of rigorous training focusing only on the technical and mechanical aspects of assembling, functioning, troubleshooting, repair and maintenance of sewing machines. For the women who have successfully passed out from the Usha Silai School and have started their own sewing schools, to those who are undergoing courses, the need for a good mechanic in the area has been paramount. During the training, the participants are trained on several kinds of Usha sewing machines, from the very basic versions to the more advanced sewing machines. The training involves different modules, all of which ensure a wide range of knowledge and troubleshooting capabilities.
इस स्कूल से अच्छे से जो पास हुए सब लोगों को एक एक मशीन दिया है। सो मैं मैकेनिकल एक कोर्स किया हुआ है इधर में। सब जगह में मैं घर में मशीन है, तो उधर में पार्ट्स ख़राब हो जाता है, कुछ हो जाता है, तो हम लोग जो सीखा है उधर घर जाके तो ठीक करेंगे, प्लस खुद का एक दुकान भी खोलेंगे।
In 2017, the Star Usha Tailoring School, in collaboration with Usha International Limited, was established with a noble vision to empower rural women by enhancing their traditional skill sets. And now, this partnership between Usha and Star Cement has gone beyond skilling rural women from just sewing to complete repair of sewing machines. Usha empowers its women entrepreneurs with technical skills on sewing machine like upkeep, troubleshooting and repair. Looking at the rising use of skills, including sewing on white machines in the region, incorporating technical skills for both black and white machines for this intervention was a necessity.
There is always a lack of mechanic in the entire area. So we thought of this concept and we have discussed with Usha International Limited, and we found that there is a possibility of organizing this training and for this mechanic upcoming youths as budding entrepreneurs.
After the break, Godavari Power and Ispat and Usha are strengthening the future of women in a small village near Raipur. In the heart of India, a powerful movement is taking shape, a movement fueled by skill, driven by ambition and powered by partnership. This is the story of how Usha, a trusted name in Indian households, is joining hands with leading corporates like Godavari Power and Ispat Limited to empower women and transform communities. Godavari Power and Ispat Limited, or GPIL, a leading steel manufacturer, understands the importance of sustainable development. Recognizing the need to uplift the local community, they sought a partner to empower women through skill development.
ये काफ़ी ग्रामीण क्षेत्र है और साथ ही साथ औद्योगिक क्षेत्र है। ये क्षेत्र जो है कई चीज़ों में काफ़ी पिछड़ा हुआ है। एक जागरूक कंपनी होने के हैसियत से हमारा ये सोच था कि हम अपनी महिलाओं को, ग्रामीण क्षेत्र की महिलाओं को कैसे सशक्त बनाएं। उस सोच को आगे ले जाते हुए ये हमारे CSR पे आइडिया आया डिपार्टमेंट में कि क्यों ना एक प्रोजेक्ट जो है महिलाओं के लिए करें।
In 2023, GPIL partnered with Usha International Limited, a name synonymous with innovation in the sewing and stitching industry, to create a life-changing initiative in Raipur. Together, they established a training-cum-production center designed to equip women with sewing and stitching skills.
हमारी ऐसी जितनी लाइक माइंडेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं, कॉरपोरेट्स हैं और अदर एंटिटीज़ हैं, तो हम उषा उनके साथ में पार्टनरशिप में काम करने के लिए हमेशा अग्रणी रहता है। तो इसी कारण से हम गोदावरी पावर और इस्पात लिमिटेड के साथ में यहाँ रायपुर में हमने अपना उषा एंड GPIL ट्रेनिंग कम प्रोडक्शन सेंटर का इस्टेब्लिशमेंट किया।
ये सेंटर आप लोगों का है और जब आपको लगे कि मेरे पास आज टाइम है, मैं यहाँ टाइम देना चाहती हूँ।
And with the shared goal, the partnership between Usha Silai School and Godavari Power and Ispat Limited was born, a collaboration between the strength of steel and the resilience of women. Expert trainers equipped with state-of-the-art sewing machines guide the women through the intricacies of tailoring. The air is filled with the rhythm of the machines, the chatter of eager learners, and the scent of fabric.
मैं आती हूँ सबसे पहले तो मतलब फर्स्ट बेच रहता है तो सब अपना अपना काम करते हैं। उसके बाद सेकंड वाले आते हैं तो मेरे को मतलब अच्छा ही लगता है कि मेरे बैच आ रहे हैं ऐसे करके। फिर वो लोग आते हैं, फिर अपना अपना जो रहता है उसको करते हैं। और जब जैसे मैं सोचे रहती हूँ कि मेरे को आज ये बताना है ऐसे करके, तो उसको मैं अपना स्टार्ट करती हूँ।
This training center has become a hub of creativity and empowerment. The women, once confined to their homes, now envision a brighter future. Some have started their own work, others of contributing to their family incomes.
मैं घर में सिलती थी तो थोड़ा अपने मेज़रमेंट से सिलती थी क्योंकि मैं गांव में सीखी थी ना, और यहाँ आने के बाद मेज़रमेंट अलग हुआ तो मैं दुनियावी जैसा होता है रेडीमेड कपड़ा होता है तो मैं उस तरीके से सीखी हूँ। जैसे कहीं भी ऑर्डर वगैरह आता है तो मैं इसको सिल के पूरा करके दे सकती हूँ।
Here, 20 women from surrounding villages are receiving comprehensive training in sewing and stitching. For 25 days, they are learning not just technical skills, but also gaining confidence and financial independence that will shape their futures. Many of these women, once trained, have started earning incomes by offering their services to the local community, making garments and even launching their own small businesses. This ripple effect is proof of the power of skill building and the profound difference it can make in the lives of entire families.
यहाँ पे मैडम जो आती है मधु वर्मा मैडम, उसने मुझे बताया कि जो केयर स्किल फाउंडेशन है वहाँ ट्रेनर की ज़रूरत है। तो मैडम बोली कि आपका रिज्यूम है तो उसको सेंड कर देना। ऐसा तो मैडम रिज्यूम को सेंड की, फिर वहाँ इंटरव्यू के लिए रायपुर गई थी। इंटरव्यू में फिर पास हुई, फिर ना 16 तारीख से ज्वाइन किया मैं अभी वहाँ पे 40 कैंडिडेट हैं उसको सिखा रही हूँ। जैसे पहले मैं घर में सिलाई करती थी तो मुश्किल से 3 से 4 हज़ार इनकम करती थी, और वहाँ जाने के बाद मुझे उससे डबल हो गया है, जैसे 12,000 इनकम मिल रहा है 2 से 3 घंटे काम करके। लेकिन जैसे हेल्प अपने पापा के लिए, जैसे कि मांगते हैं 2,000 दो, 3,000 दो, कुछ काम है ऐसा कर तो उसको हेल्प करते हैं उसके लिए।
For GPIL, this partnership isn't just about corporate social responsibility. It's about building a future where women are equipped to thrive in a rapidly changing world.
तो मेन स्कोप तो हमें यही लगा कि जो ये सीखी हुई है, जो इनके पास हुनर है, उसको तराशा ऐसा जाए कि वो अपना खुद का कोई रोज़गार करें या घर से ही ऑर्डर उठाएं, मार्केट से ऑर्डर उठाएं। उषा के माध्यम से और जो हमारी सहयोगी NGO है वेस्ट टू बेस्ट वेलफेयर सोसाइटी, इन दोनों के सहयोग से हम जो उद्देश्य लेके चले हैं महिलाओं के लिए, उसकी पूर्ति हम कर पाएंगे।
In a world where opportunities are often scarce, partnerships like these light the path toward a brighter, more inclusive future. With Godavari Power and Ispat Limited, Usha International and the women of Raipur, the journey of empowerment has just begun. And with every step, we move closer to a society where every woman can achieve her dreams. Your brand can also partner with Usha Salai Schools for a high-impact, efficient CSR initiative. Usha's well-established model ensures your contribution translates directly into tangible skills and economic independence for women, with measurable results and transparent reporting. For more details, log on to ndtv.com/kushalta and adopt a Salai school.